I have started some days ago my English journey, not long time ago, just some days ago, with our of Bengali teacher, our teacher Mubashir sir, also Tafsir sir. Actually, Tafsir sir actually is a very good teacher. His teaching method very well, very fantastic. He combines her his every teacher, every students very properly, very nicely. He combines her every student, he combines very well. He always say that our religion, he remind our religion. He always say that say our prayer, salat is the key of the heaven. He always say that follow our Islamic rules. He said that learn something. If you know about English, then you will be able to success in your future. He always said that. Actually, his combines method very well, very well, very fantastic. I love too much. He's just not good at teacher. He is a very good Muslim person. He is a very good people. He is a very good he is a very good person. So if you want to learn English, you can join with him, you can call him. I will mention his number in this video, inshallah. You can contact with him and you can start your English journey. Dear brother and sister, actually, dear brothers and sister, actually approved is very difficult, very hard without English, without Arabic language. If you know Arabic language, you can do everything here. You can hear any kind of business, you can any kind of work very properly, very expertly in this Dubai. Actually, I just started my English journey. I know my English speak is not good, not well, actually, because I am beginner. I just started, but I believe that if I stay with our tafsir teacher, inshallah, one day I will be able to speak English very properly, very nicely. But just I start. When I will be able to English speak, inshallah, I I will be able can do anything in Dubai city. Pray for me, inshallah. I will pray for every Muslim person. So actually this month, actually very well month, very good month. We won't waste this month of time, because Allah sent in the world as a Muslim, as a Ummah Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we are should always follow our Islamic rules, which that said our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We should follow always, all time, because it is most important for. It is very helpful for. It will be very helpful for our afterlife. So don't waste your time. I suggest you, my dear believer brothers and sisters. Actually, time is most important things in the world. So actually, I have come my camp, actually. Not far my camp, it is my camp is nearby. So actually I came here. Inshallah, I will make another video. I make this video actually just my improve English speaking. Also I was want say something our fasting month or Ramadan month, because I love too much this month. So actually I love too much this month, for that I make this video. I love too much my every Muslim brother and sister, every Islamic scholar. I love too much our Islamic scholar Allama Delwar Hussain Saidi. He is dry right now. Uh, I always pray for him. I love so much our Islamic scholar Anatullah Abbasi, also Dr. Mizanur Rahman Azari. He actually make Islamic Anat. He is a very good. Actually, it is I will play, inshallah, every day, every night, every day and every night, every day and every night. Never forget to say La ilaha illallah. Never forget to say La ilaha illallah. When you walk down the stair, when you walk down the stair, use your time and repeat. Use your time and repeat, and say with every heartbeat, and say with every heartbeat, every night and every day, every night and every day. Never forget to say La ilaha illallah. Never forget to say La ilaha illallah. When you walk down the stair, use your time and repeat. Use your time and repeat and say with every heartbeat. And say with every heartbeat. If we want to be successful in the world, also our afterlife, we have to be most purified. We have to be most purified. Actually, we can purify our life in this month. We can purify our life in this month. We can change our life in this month. Allah uh, give our big opportunity in this month. So I will suggest again, my dear believer brothers and sisters, don't waste your time. Use your time very properly in this month. This month actually very well, very blessed month. So don't waste this month of time. Inshallah, I will make another video. See you see you later. See you again, inshallah. Stay well, stay good. Take care of yourself, never give up. Always remember, this month is very well. We won't waste this month of time, inshallah. Stay well, my dear lovely brothers and sisters. Pray for me. I will pray for every Muslim person, every Muslim of country, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.